Welcome to the review creation process in Prolaborate. Let's get started. First, click on Create a Review. Enter a review name and description that suits your requirements. Set a start date and end date for the review. Enable invite and notifications to notify the participants about the new review under More Settings. Next, select the contents. It could be packages, elements, or diagrams from the repository browser that need to be reviewed, and add them to your review. Finally, choose the participants. In this step, select users and assign them roles as reviewer or approver. Complete the process by clicking the Add New Review button. Congratulations, your review has been created.